switches the builders quickly erect all the frames and stand all these walls, get them all plumb and level. So in the space of about 5 hours, it went from frames arriving and them all being stood. The scaffold is due to arrive later on in the week, so probably Friday. With the scaffold will also come the safety nets. So the safety nets will get mounted, tech screwed into the walls, and then that will prevent anyone falling through the roof. So when they're working up there, they're not going to fall, onto the hard concrete. While the builders are busy with the standing on the frames and squaring them all off, I'm busy doing the retaining wall. Some beautiful standing frames, absolutely love it. I'll take you through bedroom 4. So we come through here, there'll be a ranch slider. The water supply will come up through here, and so that'll come up, all of these. And then we've got coming through, got bathroom or toilet, bedroom 3. So all these rooms are large bedrooms, and then beautiful look out at the mountain. We have the hot water cupboard, and then we have bedroom 2. So this is slightly smaller, same view though, same view. And we've got, here we have the main bathroom, so shower, bath, and the vanity that serves both sides of the wall, so in the toilet as well. And then down here we've got closet. This will be switchboard area and comms. Got laundry, So laundry will go on this wall here. Then we have master bedroom. So with a ranch slider, beautiful view. Got a window out that way. So it's fairly sizable. We've got the walk-in wardrobe here. And ensuite, so yeah, shower. So this will be shifted a little bit. This little piece here has to be sorted, but they're going to come and sort that out in no time. And then the star of the show, we've got the main kitchen, dining, entertainment area. So we'll have, yeah, island bench just here, and then some 4 or 5 stack of doors opening from, yeah, there to there. The lintel is coming at a later date, probably come after the trusses, but builders will sort that out, no problem. Yeah, I've got skip bin coming for the rubbish and shrapnel, and then yeah, I've got main kitchen window. It looks out to sort of the entrance way and everything else like that. Loving the progress. So much happens in a small space of time. I mean, this is only probably 6 hours from the time that the frames showed up. So yeah, it all just goes up so quick. Fair bit of weight involved with these 6x2 walls. So the builders have clocked off for the day, but they're going to come back tomorrow and then start doing all the tie down bolts. They've put mould seal around the brick cavity there, so that stops anything creeping up and in. We've got the wing walls, so they're showing now, so way up there. So all that, it's kind of an empty space. It's probably where I'll try and stick the hose bib, or I'll try and stick the hose tap here, and maybe on the other side, depending on how things are going. I have tried my best to set up an office slash workbench. So I've got a camera pole, so that's obviously keeping track of everything. something that was noticed this morning, which was a pretty good pickup. Obviously it's only been one day, so just show you here. We've got these two window openings, and they're at different heights. So this one here, I'll get my tape measure in a second and just show you exactly what I mean. So you can see, probably if I come down here, you've got one window's there, and the other one's looks like 100mm. So yeah, we'll just have a look at that. I'm sure there'll be a few other little things as we go, but I mean, mistakes happen. I'm not immune to them, so yeah. You can see here, you've got that morning though. Look at that. You beauty. Okay, so I will show you this. Okay, so here we're at about 9:05 to the sill, and then we have an opening of 1200. So obviously we've got 210, so there's a little bit of play there. And then we'll come have a look at this one. This one is a meter, so about 1.5 m there, and opening is 1110. So that is the classic 100mm trick. He strikes again. I know I've done it many times. Beautiful day for it, that's for sure.